I just thought I'd show this off because the glass top stove, there's always this cooked on stuff from boil over or whatever. It's always such a pain to get off. Glass cleaner doesn't just cut it. It doesn't really cut it at all. And this is not sponsored in any way. This is only me sharing what worked. I wish it was sponsored, but this is what I use to get it off. This whim cooktop. And I'll open it up. And it's got this sponge with the cleaning solution, whatever it is in here. And this is about the only thing that I've found to get it off other than scraping it off with a razor blade. So I'll do a quick before and after here. And I truly don't know which side you're supposed to use first. The instructions are not clear at all. But it's supposed to have micro beads. And it basically just says use the scrubbing pad and rub in a circular motion. Whatever. Some of this stuff on here. So like I said, the instructions are a little less than desirable. It doesn't tell you if the red side is first or if the silver side's first. If one side's like a abrasive side and the other side's a polishing side. No clue. But the stuff actually works. And quite frankly, that's all that matters to me. I'm using the white paper towel. And there you have it. Some light scrubbing. And just a hint of, no, it's actually just residue. Just a hint of burnt on stuff left here. That's it. That one was the worst. This one's all good. It's just all scratches here, so. Everywhere else it took everything off. So, like I said, I'm pretty happy with that stuff. I know how much of a pain it is to maintain a glass top stove when you have boil over and all that mess, so just thought I'd share.